Please welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to contact the TikTok support. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here in your feed you need to go to the option of your profile here in the superior in the right down part here in the option of your profile. And now you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. You need to pick here. And after that, you got three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and you need to pick here in the last option where it said Settings and Privacy. So you pick here, and after that, you need to go down to the option of the problems. So you need to search the option like inform a problem. You need to go down, and we need to pick here in report a problem. So here in report a problem, we need to pick here in the option of feed and feedback. So you pick here, and after that you got two options: feedback, feed, and playing videos. So you need to pick here in feed, and after that in feed you need to pick here in other. And the last step to complete that process is pick here in need more help. And after that, the only thing you need to do is tell to TikTok what happened with what is your problem. And after that, you pick in submit, and you need to wait like a few hours or like 24 hours to TikTok, see your problem and give it to you like a response for you can know if they can help you or not. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.